Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Claude AI account quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device and search for Claude AI. Then go to the official website, or if you already have the app installed, you can simply open the Claude app. Now, on the login screen, you'll see two options. You can either continue using your Google account or log in with your email address. So choose the option based on how you created your account. If you signed up using your email, just enter your email address and tap on the arrow. Or if you used Google, tap on Continue with Google and select your account. After entering your details, you'll be logged into your account. Once you're inside, you can tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Here you'll find options like New Chat, Chats, Projects, and more. You can also tap on the Settings icon to manage your account settings. And that's it. That's how you can easily log into your Claude AI account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.